It's so crazy, just like I've been with NOCA since day one. So I'm the first employee. I've been with them since the end of 2019.
Yeah.
Just to see like how far we've grown. It's pretty incredible. We went from one employee to almost 40, from one state, New Hampshire, to almost 40 states. Like
Yeah.
we opened up Alaska.
Yeah, we've had NOCA. You guys still have like berry pack?
No, it's a 6-pack.
Yeah.
It's a 6
Yep.
pack. Yep.
Mhm.
And it was dragon
Yeah,
fruit,
we-
dragon fruit, mango, and triple berry. Now it's called weekend water. You had boozy water.
I had boozy water.
People think that it's an overnight success, but you got to just keep chugging away. Thank you for all you do up here, and thank you for supporting NOCA for so many years. We sincerely appreciate it.